Okay. Good afternoon. Okay. So I am here for one of the important session related to the IIC. So IIC means that is Institution Innovation Council. That is the long form of the IIC. That is Institutions Innovation Council. And I am the faculty from the Department of Mechanical Engineering working as the Innovation Ambassador. Okay. So what is this particular IIC techniques? You know about the AICT. So all the technical educations like diploma colleges, engineering colleges, some of the pharmacy colleges, they are working under the AICT. You know about the AICT? What is the long form of AICT? What is the long form? All India Commission for the Technical Education. So all the technical education, that is engineering, pharmacy, diploma, some other courses, all these particular colleges, they are working under the AICT, and this AICT has made compulsion that is every college should have their IIC center. And under this IIC center or under this particular IIC, he told that you have to organize the various types of the guest lectures related to the innovations. So innovation is one of the small part of the IIC. So likewise, there are so many different types of the sections are there. In that first one is innovation. That's what I am going to cover today. Similarly, there is some sessions based on the IPR. You know about the patent? You know about the patent word. Okay, so how that patent is beneficial for you. So based on that also, you are having some of the sessions. Maybe in the last 1 or 2 days, Digvijay sir also has conducted one session. I think that is related to the product or project or the new product development. Again, some sessions are based on the entrepreneurship. In future, from you, some of the students maybe they are interested for the job. Maybe you are working in the core industry, maybe you are working in some of the IT industries. But some they are not interested in the job, they are interested to go for the entrepreneur. They have to start their own business. So like that, there are so many categories are there, that is IPR, innovation, entrepreneurship. Under this IIC, we are going to conduct the various types of the sessions, and I am the one of the faculty member who is working as an innovation ambassador in our Department of Mechanical Engineering, in order to conduct such types of the sessions to our students to get the idea how it will be beneficial. Okay, so now I am starting with this particular point only, that is introduction to the innovation. Simple topic, introduction to innovation. Under this, we are going to cover some of the definitions, some dimensions, some drivers and the developments. Okay. Before moving to the next part, can you tell me the definition of the innovation? New idea. Okay. So this is the one definition we can consider. But I want the definition. Definition is not only 2 words. It should have one sentence. What is meant by the innovation? We can generate so many definitions. Idea should be converted into the practical, that will be the innovation. Okay, no problem. Again,
a thing that make human efforts less.
a thing which makes the human efforts less, that will be the innovation. How we can do the innovation? By the research.
Creating a new.
How we can do the innovation? By research. By research. No. By research, we can also do the innovation. Again, solving the problems, we can do the innovation. Research means the development of new thing. The thing which is not established till now. The thing which is not developed, not established in the world till today. And that thing you have developed, that is called as the innovation. This is the number 1 definition. Number 2, problem solving. There are so many problems. Some technical problems are there, some societal problems are there. If you are working in the industry, that is in core company like maybe Mahindra & Mahindra, Tata, any core industry related to the mechanical engineering, and you are solving the problem, that is also called as the innovation. But where you are working in the society, at that time, if you have observed some of the societal problems, and in order to reduce that societal problems, if you have developed one of the technique, that is also called as a innovation. Means innovation is not there in only the technical field, it is also there in the non-technical fields. there are so many problems are there in the society. You know, sometimes you have also observed it. If you take the example of the farmers, okay, if you take the example of farmers, there are so many some existing techniques the farmers are using. Due to that, they are in trouble while working in the farm. Maybe some old technology they are using, some old machinery they are using. But nowadays, some advanced technologies are available in the world, but our farmers are not aware about that. Many times you have seen some of the videos on the YouTube also. How the farming will be done in the USA, how the farming will be done in the China, and how the farming will be done in the India. You can observe, there is a 1 minute video only, and you can observe or you can make the comparison. First 30-second video will be for the US, the remaining 30 seconds will be for the China, and then for the India. And through this 1 minute video, you can observe how the technology is developed and what we are doing. Means we have to understand the simple thing is that the innovation is not there in only the technical field, innovation is not there in the only engineering, innovation is not there only in the pharmacy, but innovation is also there in some of the non-technical fields in order to solve the society problems. And for that, we are placed very, very important. Who is developing the technology? Whether farmers are developing the technology? Engineers are developing the technology. That's why we can call ourselves as the innovators. So there are so many definitions of the innovations. Some innovations are also there. We can do the modification in the existing technique. Already one machine is there, and in that machine you have modified some of the things. That is also called as the innovation. Developing the new machine, that is also innovation. Modification in the older machine, that is also called as a innovation. So sometimes that much amount is not available with us. For example, I have to develop one machine and 1 crore amount is required. It is not possible. Then what I will do? I will go for the market survey, and in the market survey I will check whether such types of the machines are available in less cost. Then I will purchase that particular machine, and in that machine I will do the sum of the modification. And that modification will be possible within 50,000. So where is the amount of 1 crore and where is the amount of 50,000? It is possible to me to pay the 50,000, but it is not possible to me to pay the 1 crore. Means by the modification in the older techniques also, by the modification in the older machines also, we can do the innovation. And that we are going to cover under this particular session, that is introduction to the innovation. So in that we are going to see the different types of the techniques. So this is the definition. Simple definition. Innovation is the process and outcome of creating something new which is also of value. Simple. It is the process and outcome of creating something new. There is so many explanations under the word creating something new. What just now we have discussed, creating something new. We can create something new as a research by developing a new technique. We can create something new in the also older existing techniques. And innovation means not only to develop the machines. Innovation is not only to develop the process. Innovation is not only related to the development of new product. There are so many different types of the areas are there where the innovation will be carried out. Very simple and some silly problems are there. In that also we can do the innovation. Innovation means that if you think about the innovation word, means we are thinking that innovation means there is a very first step. It is very critical to do the innovation. What you are doing at your diploma level, what you have done? You have done the innovation only. As your final year projects. Everyone has done the final year project. What you have done? Maybe all the projects are related to some farming. It has observed me. I have also done the same thing. Most of the projects, your diploma projects are related to agriculture. Grass cutting machine, this cutting machine, this cutting machine. But if you see, such types of the machines are already available in the market. Such types of the machines are already available in the market. But what you have done? You have created, you have developed, you have manufactured the same machine in the minimum amount of cost. In market, that machine is available for the 50,000. For example, grass cutting machine. You have to know about the grass cutting machine. but the loan is available on the ground for that cutting, the grass cutting machine we are using. But that machine, whenever you have to purchase from the market, maybe you have to pay for 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh. It depends upon the size of the machine. But some of you also develop the same types of the machine within only 5,000. Taking one motor from the scrap, taking one shaft from the scrap, taking some of the angles from the scrap, and you have developed the machine within the 5,000. So where is the amount of 1 lakh and where is the amount of 5,000? What is the working principle? Same. What is the use? Same. Means what you have done, you have reduced the cost of the same machine from 1 lakh to 5,000. Means you also have done the one type of innovation. So that is actually called as the innovation process. That means creating something new. In our college also we are organizing so many sessions, like maybe you are aware about some of the events, like in our department only, under the Mechanical Engineering Student Association MESA, there is one student organizing body. Under this event, we are organizing so many technical events like your project exhibition. Maybe some of the students from our diploma college, maybe they are familiar with the agriculture related program, that is Agro Challenge. Again, some of the events related to the project exhibition. Some of the events related to the model exhibition. So in that, what students are doing? They are creating their ideas into the final output. That product may be the actual product, or that product may be the demo product. Product ha actual asawa asa kai nahi. It may be the demo, just for the explanation purpose. In last year, that batch is passed out from the last year. They have developed in the last 2-3 years. There is a COVID situation, you know about it, and there is a fear in our mind. If I will go in hospital, then what will happen? This is the COVID area, then what will happen? I have came from this particular hospital, then what will be happen with my body? Likewise, there is a fear. Correct? Some of the hospitals are also there where the students can't enter. Some of the hospitals are there where critical patients are there in that particular region. So that nurses, doctors, they are also having fear. Or they have to visit to that particular respective patient and give some medicines, give some injections. It is also not possible in the second wave of the COVID. First wave is very simple. In the second wave, the situation was very critical. So what our last year students have done, they have developed one product. They have developed one robot. What that robot is doing, it is totally automatically operated. What they are doing, they have developed one product that it is operating by using the programming. It is just handled by one of the remote. And if they have to give the medicines to that particular person, so once they have to keep the robot in that particular entrance of the door, and by using the remote only, that robot is visited to the each and every patients. He will visit to their bed automatically. That tray will come from the bottom side near to the bed. That person will take the medicine. He will eat. Once it will over, that tray will come down. It will shift it to the next bed. Again, it will be shifted to the third bed. Means there is no any entrance of the person, only robot is doing the activity. Now for the robot there is no care about the COVID. It is the machine. So like that they have developed the technology. That design is also finalized. But maybe they are some working on that because they are going to take the admission for their post graduation, and they have continued the same project for their post graduation. So such type of the innovations are also carried out in the COVID situation. I have developed one device, that is distance alerting device. What is the distance between myself and himself during the COVID? Minimum how much amount of distance is required as per the government rule? In feet, 2 to 3 feet, or maximum 1 to 2 meter distance should be there in between two persons. But sometimes, if I am working with this particular person, I don't know. Whenever I am working with this particular person, during working condition, I am forgetting about the COVID. There is no any COVID, and we are discussing as a family or as a close person. And after that, we have to tell, no, we have to maintain the distance. Likewise, situations are there with the COVID. Getting? So to avoid that situation, what I have done, or what myself and some electronics faculty members are there, what we have done, we have developed one distance alerting device that will be kept in our pocket. And there is one sensor, and there is one alarm buzzer. Okay? That sensor is continuously sending the rays. Continuously they are sending the rays in the environment. And if in 1 meter, if one person is in front of you, it will get, the alarm will get on. Twing, 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 like that sound is coming. And whenever I am closing to that particular person, immediately there is a sound, again I will come back. Means such type of the devices also we have developed in the COVID situation. Then there is a COVID key. You know about the COVID key? Initially it was not there, but in COVID only it has established COVID key. In the COVID we are also having fear, that is we have to stick to this in the hospital. आपने टच का वो सुधार मिल गया है पहले. बराबर second wave में. यही के लिए will go for the sanitizer and will do like this. Every time it is not possible. So what we have done, we have developed one COVID key, and that COVID key is fully operated. If I have to open the door, that COVID key is developed in such a way that there is a key, I will attach like this and make like this. That means there is no direct touch of my hand at this particular knob. If I have to debit some amount from the ATM, we have to enter the PIN. Again there is a contact of fingers with that particular buttons. And so many persons are in contact with that particular keypad. And by mistake, without washing any hand, directly we will taking the lunch like this, and there may be possibility of COVID. Then we have developed that key in such a way that once I will enter the ATM, by using that particular key only, there is some separate provision to type your PIN. And without any touch, the amount will be covered. So these are very simple product we have developed in the COVID situation. Means this is the part of the innovation. So what I have to tell is, these are very simple applications. दरवाजा ओपन आणि क्लोज करणे म्हणजे काय जास्त अवघड application नाही का? Debiting the amount from the ATM, whether that much different application. Maintain the distance between his and me, whether it is that much difficult task? No. But in that case also we have to go for the innovation. That's why we have developed such types of the devices in COVID situation, and that is also called as a innovation. Means creating something new. So that is the definition of the innovation. Again, so these are today it is said to be involved in capacity quickly adapt by adopting the new innovation, product, process, strategies and the organization. Innovation means not only development of product. Innovation means not only development of the product, we can develop the process also. You know the process? What is the process? Maybe this subject, this particular word is very familiar with your subject, that is manufacturing processes. Just now the lecture is over. Barabar? There are so many manufacturing processes. Can you tell me any one process? Casting. There is a standard procedure of the casting. What you are doing? There is a molten metal or there is a metal, you have to heat for the higher temperature, then it will be converted into the molten metal. That molten metal you have to take and you have to pour in the cavity, and after some of the hours, if you open the mold, you will get the product. So this is the standard process available in your book. Correct? But if any person has changed this particular process, if you have changed the process, in order to convert the molten metal into the final product, I require total 30 minutes. For example, I am taking. I require total 30 minutes. Some of you have changed the process in such a way that you will get the final product in 15 minutes only. Means what you have done? You have changed the process. Means innovation is not only related to the product development, it is related to change the process also. So that is also called as a innovation. Then number 2, strategies. What is the strategies? What is the strategies? It is a plan of activity. It is the plan plan of activity. For example, if you have to complete the product, you have to complete your project. Then what you are doing? There is a plan in front of you. I will start my project from the third year only. In the third year semester number 1, I will complete the design part. In the third year second semester, I will complete the fabrication part. In the last year of the semester number 1, I will complete my 50% report writing. And in the final semester, I will complete my oral examination and my project will get completed. So these are the strategies in front of you. In these 3 months, this is plan. In the next 3 months, this is the plan. In the next 3 months, this is the plan. And in the last 3 months, this is the plan. Means these strategies are already decided, and based on that, you have to start your activity. Means the strategy is related to the plan of activity. In next 2 years, what you are doing? Now, what is your next plan? What is your current plan? You have to cover the syllabus and you have to appear for the examination. This is your strategy. What is your next plan? Next semester, 5 subjects. I have to study and I have to give the examination. That is your next 4-month plan. Next 1 year plan, you have to complete your third year. Next second year plan, you have to complete your last year. Means these strategies are already decided. त्याला कोण चेंज करणार आहे का? नाही. This is already decided. So, ह्या strategies जर तुम्ही चेंज केल्या, then also that is also called as the innovation. If your 4-month semester will be covered in 1 month only. If your 4-month semester will be covered in 1 month, that is called as an innovation. मग तुम्ही 1 महिना एका महिन्यामध्ये तुम्ही कसा सिलेबस कंप्लीट करायचा? It depends on you. And for that purpose, you have to apply your thing, and that is called as the innovation. Means that is called as a strategy. And last one is related to the organization. Organization means, what is organization? Series. Okay. Again,
group of people.
Group of people. Again, now our college is one of the organization. Our college is one of the organization where number of people are working. Only one industry and only one person. That is not called as the organization. So sometimes I am not able to change the product. Sometimes I am not able to change the process. Sometimes I am not able to change the strategies. I have to make the changes in my organization. Automatically innovation will be happen. Getting? नवीन प्रोडक्ट पण डेव्हलप करायचं नाही, नवीन प्रोसेस पण डेव्हलप करायची नाही, स्ट्रॅटेजी पण चेंज करायची नाही. मला फक्त माझ्या ऑर्गनायझेशन मध्ये काही असे चेंजेस करायचे की जेणेकरून इनोव्हेशन ऑटोमॅटिक झालं पाहिजे. So that's why this organization is also considered under the innovation category. Means development of new product, it is innovation. Development of new process, it is also innovation. Development or changing your activity plan, it is also innovation. And modification and the changes in the organization also, that is called as innovation. Now in college the innovation is not possible, but in industry they have to change their organization. They have to hire some managers. Then there is a sub-managers. Then there is a supervisors. Then there is the workers. Or whether managers are working on the ground level, workers are working on the ground level. Then on this, or at the top of the worker, there is a supervisor. On their top, there is a senior supervisor. Then there is a manager. Means likewise the organization will be decided, and ह्या organization मध्ये जर तुम्ही कुठे चेंज केला आणि ज्याच्यामुळे तुमच्या कंपनीचा जर प्रॉफिट वाढत असेल तर that is also called as a innovation. So these are the total 4 pointers where the innovation will be carried out. So just now we have discussed. That is a new product, a new process, opening the new market. Based on the market also the innovation is. You are developing the product and no one is purchasing. What is the use of that product? You have done the innovation. You have developed a very excellent machine. And there is no any market near about you. What is the development of that innovation? So you have to develop the product in such a way that in order to sell that product, a good market should be available with you. There is a basic difference between the Pandharpur market and the Pune market. In the Pandharpur market, you will not get that much amount of response, but in the Pune, you will get the good response. Then where you are going to do the innovation, in Pandharpur or Pune? What will be the better? You can do the innovation here only, but your transportation charges will be increased. That's why you have to open the new market also, and that is also one of the part of innovation. Then just now we have discussed this drivers for the innovation. Who is driving this? Like driver is driven the car. Simple. Driver is driven the car. If the driver is not available, car will be totally stopped. Then how the innovation will be there? Who is driving the innovation? These are the different types of the pointers, due to which he is forcing us to go for the innovation. Can read the pointers. Simple pointers are there. Increase the competition, shorter product life cycle, value addition, strict regulations, industry community needs, increase the demand from the accountability, then demographic, social market changes, rising customers' expectations, changing economy. Why we have to go for the innovation? To waste our money? Why we have to go for the innovation? To waste our money? I am having the good amount of money and I have to waste it. And that's why I am doing the innovation. Whether such types of the conditions are there? No. So innovation will be carried out in such a way that, or it will be carried at that location where there is a requirement. If you have developed the product and that product is developed in such a way that, or it is available in such a way that there is a maximum customer requirement. I have developed my product and my product is purchaser value, and he will give the feedback in the entire market. No, this product is very good. You don't take this, you take this one. Then he will also collect. He will also give the response to the another. Automatically these two are also collect. Means if there is an increase in the customer demand, automatically the innovation will be there. And these are the different types of the pointers due to which the innovation will be carried out. So new conditions for the innovation as supplier of the customer, then venture finance for existing opportunities for the knowledge and for opening the new market. Same point whatever we have discussed now. Again the same, that is new product development as the suppliers of the new knowledge, as the organizational renewal for opening the new market. And in order to carry out that particular innovation, what is the requirement? Last 2 points are very important. You read it carefully. Universities as active drivers of the innovations and academic entrepreneurships and the entrepreneur thinking. And second last, university industry partnership. Many times what we are doing, we are collecting we are choosing our product which is already developed or which is already done. In final year project, whatever the project you are doing, what you are doing, you are taking one application, and for that particular application, you have developed the machine. But have you developed such product where you have solved any industry problem? Have you visited to any company? If there is a casting process, and in this particular casting process, you have observed that this is the fault, and due to this particular fault, so much molten metal is wasted. And due to this particular problem, this process will take 2 hours instead of 1 hour. So for that purpose, you have to visit to the industry. You have to take their live problem, and based on the live problem, you have to develop the solution. Then and then only that will be considered as a project. And based on that, the industry will provide you consultancy also. And some of our students from the last year, they are working on the such types of the projects. Maybe there is one industry that is collaboration in our college, and that industry, that is Top Gear Satara. That is the gear manufacturing industry. There are so many different types of the gears are there. That is the gear manufacturing industry. Our 4 students last year, they wait for the internship. This is the requirement of our curriculum as per the university syllabus. In the last semester of the last year, we have not any subject. Directly you have to go for the industry and you have to work for the 4 months. So what happened? That 4 students visited there. Continuously they have worked for the 4 months. They have taken one live problem of that particular industry. They have given the solution also, and now that 4 students are employed of that industry. And that is the number 1 top gear industry in the Maharashtra for the gear manufacturing. What they have done simply, they just went for the internship, but they have become familiar with that particular industry. Just taken one simple problem related to gear manufacturing. They have designed their own design. They have given the solutions to the industry, and now industry are using their solution for the further gear manufacture. And without any interview, without any test, directly they are selected as a design engineer in the top gear industry. Pure core gear. So what they have done? What they have done? Simply they have gone for the internship and they are selected in the core industry. So likewise, you have to also select the such types of the problems where you can solve the industry problems. Maybe you are visited that time. So I have to go to the industry and I have to check their problems and I have to give the proper solution. You both visited that time in the character level. So if it is possible to you also, by your reference, by your relatives' reference, you can visit to the any type of industry. Even you can visit to the sugar industry also. In the sugar industry also there are so many problems. While converting that sugar cane into the sugar, there are so many problems in the sugar industry also. And from that problem, if you select a single problem and you are able to give the solution, that will be also your final year project, and the total project will be sponsored by the industry. Your total money, traveling, then whatever the product, material purchase, result, testing, all this particular amount will be paid by that particular industry only. Only you have to just type the report and you have to submit. So if you are doing the such types of the project, then that is also become the innovation. Okay. So with this was related to the innovation part. So simply what we have understood through this particular session, that is how the innovation will be carried out, which types of the innovations will be carried out, how the innovation will be beneficial for you, and how it will be useful for you in your future. So it is my humble request, maybe maybe in the future, I think your project groups are formed.
Yes.
Guides are allocated. Maybe maybe in the next semester or maybe in the next 2-3 weeks, your guides will be finalized. You have given your area of interest. Some of you are interested. Some of you are interested in design. Some of you are interested in thermal. Some of you are interested in the fabrication. Some of you are interested in manufacturing. Some of you are interested in the production. You have given your area of interest. Your final year project should be start from second year only, and the title of the final year project should be in line with your second year project. Because in the third year you are having the mini project of the 50 marks as per the university requirement. If you cover your mini project part in the second year only, and if you cover your final year project part in the third year only, definitely it will be beneficial for you. And try to select the project in such a way that there should be some amount of innovation. Don't purchase the products directly from the market. Don't purchase the idea directly from the market. What we are doing the different thing. If there is a manual operated machine, you can convert that manual operated machine in the automatic operation. That is also innovation. You can attach motor, you can attach the different types of the pulleys, you can attach the different types of drives and convert that machine into the manually operated to the automatic operated. So that is also called as a innovation. So whenever you are going to select the project in future, try to select the project in such a way that some amount of innovation should be there in your project. Because based on your project, your final year selection will be there. Maximum focus will be given in the campus interview based on your project and your favorite subject. Which are the two common questions? What is your favorite subject and what is your project title? At that time, we should be able to give the title without any mistake. And based on that, your selection will be there. It is my observation because it has happened with my project students. Up till now, whatever the number of students are passed under me, all are selected in some of the IT industries like TCS, Capgemini, Infosys. Why? Because of their project. You know TCS, it is the software industry. Capgemini, it is the software industry. Infosys is the software industry. What is their requirement in the what they supposed to ask the question in the interview? What is meant by the C? What is meant by C++? What is meant by the Java? What is meant by the Python? So such types of the questions supposed to they ask in the interview. Not a single question they have asked on in the interview related to the coding. Simple question they have asked, what is your project? And they have explained the project in a such way that they are simple. Means we are preparing for the coding, and not a single question is there in the interview related to the coding. They are asking the question based on your final year project. They are asking the question based on your favorite subject, and favorite subject should be technical subject. It may be the design based, it may be the thermal based, and it may be the production based. Try to select the such subject like your IC engine. That should be your favorite. Your applied thermodynamics, that should be your favorite project. Strength of material, that should be your favorite project. And if you are giving the answer, my favorite subject is IC engine, and if they will ask the question, what is the difference between SI and CI, and we are unable to talk, then that will not be your favorite subject. If you will give the answer, my favorite subject is applied thermodynamics, and you will ask the question, what is meant by the entropy, what is meant by the enthalpy, we are not able to give the answer, then that will not be your favorite. His basic concept should be at your tip of tongue. He also don't know the definition of enthalpy and entropy, but he will check your confidence, how you are giving the answer. That's why your final project should be selected in such way that there should be some amount of innovation in your project. And definitely this concept will be helpful in your future. Okay, so with this we'll stop here. Thank you very much.